Hey car enthusiasts! Today we're looking into one of the most intriguing SUVs hitting the market, the 2025 Nissan Qashqai e-Power. This isn't your average hybrid, and what makes it special might just change how you think about electrification. But does this unique approach actually work? Let's find out. The moment you lay eyes on the refreshed Qashqai, you'll notice its bolder front end. Nissan has given it a striking new grille and reshaped headlights that bring a more modern presence to this popular crossover. The subtle e-Power badges hint at what makes this version special. Pop the hood and you won't find a conventional hybrid setup. Instead, Nissan has created something genuinely different. The 1.5-liter gas engine never directly powers the wheels. Its sole job is generating electricity for the electric motor that drives the car. In theory, this gives you electric car driving feel with no range anxiety. The interior represents a significant step up for 2025. Every model now features a 12.3-inch touchscreen powered by Google, giving you access to excellent mapping and apps directly from the Play Store. It's responsive and intuitive, a massive improvement over Nissan's previous systems. Comfort levels impress throughout the cabin. The seats offer great support, and there's generous space for adults in both rows. Materials feel premium, especially in higher trims with their soft-touch surfaces and Alcantara accents. What about the all-important cargo space? Here's where things get interesting. Base models offer a competitive 504 liters, but interestingly, this shrinks to 455 liters in top-spec Tecna plus trim due to clever but space-consuming cargo management systems. Taking it through city streets reveals where the system truly excels. The electric motor delivers instant, smooth acceleration that feels remarkably EV-like. When crawling through traffic, the gas engine often remains completely silent, creating a serene driving experience you wouldn't expect from a vehicle at this price point. Pushing it onto faster roads reveals the system's quirks, however. Floor the accelerator and the engine revs independently of your road speed, a sensation that feels disconnected at first. At steady highway cruising, though, everything settles nicely, and the Qashqai becomes a comfortable, refined mile muncher. For consumption, Nissan claims 53.3 mpg combined. Real-world reports suggest city driving can see around 60 mpg, while highway cruising drops closer to 40 mpg, decent figures, but perhaps not revolutionary given the price premium over standard models. Speaking of price, the Qashqai e-Power starts at £34,430, positioning it as a value proposition against similar hybrid SUVs. Standard equipment impresses, with even base models including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and that excellent infotainment system. So who is the 2025 Qashqai e-Power for? If you're primarily an urban driver seeking the benefits of EV driving without committing to full electric, it makes a compelling case. The smooth, refined city driving experience stands out in its class. However, those focused on maximum highway efficiency or thrilling dynamics might want to look elsewhere. This unique approach to hybridization offers something genuinely different in an increasingly crowded segment. Whether it's right for you depends on how much you value that electric driving feel without the range concerns. What do you think about this alternative approach to hybridization? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.